HTML5 forms a fundamental building block of the web. HTML5 forms are an essential part of any website or web application. They are the primary method for collecting data from users. Forms can include different types of input fields like text boxes, radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down lists, and buttons. Creating a basic HTML5 form. An HTML form is created using the form element. Form controls, like input, text area, select, button, etc., are placed inside the form element to collect or display information to users. The action attribute specifies the URL where the form data should be sent after submission. The method attribute indicates the HTTP method GET-OR-POST to be used when sending the form data. Different form controls. Text input field allows the user to input a single line of text. Password input field is used for sensitive data that needs to be hidden. Radio buttons allow the user to select one option out of a group. Checkboxes allow users to select multiple options from a group. A drop-down list allows users to select an option from a drop-down menu. Tips, tricks, and common error-prone cases. Always associate labels with form controls for accessibility and user-friendliness. Validate the user's input on the client side before it's sent to the server to prevent attacks and reduce server load. Use the correct input type for specific data like dates, email, number, etc. for enhanced usability and input validation. Common errors: forgetting to include the name attribute in the input element and not setting the value attribute for checkbox and radio button inputs.